Director!
Yes, when I work at Farmers Market.
It's 10-2. Are you gonna get this?
Yes, we're ready. All right. You guys ready? Okay. Off the stage. Okay. This is
Good.
all right. Okay. The show will begin when someone says, "Start the fucking play."
Start the fucking
play.
All right. By a lake in the fall. Late afternoon.
Seriously, why?
Why do I...
Yeah, why?
What do you think?
Black is linen.
Seriously.
I'm in mourning for my life. I'm unhappy.
Wow. Okay. Are you that unhappy?
You're an idiot.
Yeah, maybe, but
What?
nothing.
What?
Nothing. But my life is way worse than yours, you know? Like, way worse. You don't see me wearing black. Okay, well, sometimes, but not like it's a thing. But Jesus, my life is just so much worse than yours, you know?
How is that even possible?
I'm poor.
I'm poor.
Yeah, but I'm way poorer. And I tutor kids for tests that I utterly don't believe in. I mean, that's just an insane way to spend your time.
I'm a cook, part-time. That's not even a real job.
I have flat feet, which, you know, hurt, like, all the time. Plus, I'm an orphan, so that's, you know, unsettling.
Jesus Christ, are we in a fucking Dickens novel now?
And I'm unhappy in love. I'm unhappy in love. I mean, you know that I love you ridiculously, and you barely tolerate me. But mostly I'm poor. Poor and lonely and chubby and scruffy. But I still have hope, you know?
Hope.
Yeah.
You can be happy and poor, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, no. So, when does Khan's thing start?
Soon.
And what is it exactly?
It's a site-specific performance event.
What's a site-specific performance event?
It's kind of like a play, but not so stupid.
Stupid?
Well, you know, nobody's pretending to be somebody else.
Oh. Then what do they do?
They behave. They say things and they do things, but it's not like, oh, I'm pretending to be Bob and Trudy, like fucking kids playing house. It goes deeper than that. It's art.
And Nina's in it, right?
Yeah.
And that's nice. That, you know, they have that in common. That she could be part of his work, you know, his creation. That they can connect that way on that whole other level. While
Okay, could you just shut the fuck up, please? Just for once in your life, could you do that, please?
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
Please.
I said okay.
Thank you. I'm sorry. I can't. I just can't.
I know. It sucks.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Okay. I'll see you at the thing.